There are few things that could be causing your Twitter not to work. One possibility is that there is an issue with your internet connection. Another possibility is that there is an issue with Twitter server. And possible fix is to update your phone. Here you can find both basic check and advanced way to solve Twitter problem on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix can't log into Twitter. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Go to settings. Tap on general. Click software update. If there is an update available for your phone, download and install it. Type your phone password. After the update is complete, restart your phone once. Then open the App Store. Click search bar, then type Twitter. Click Twitter app. If you get any update, please update. See if your problem is solved. If not resolved, then follow next method. Go to the settings. Tap on general. Click iPhone storage. Find Twitter app. Click Twitter. Then click offload app. Click offload app. Then click reinstall app. Wait for a while, the process will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. After following all the steps, restart your phone. If after following all the steps you are not getting the solution, then it must be problem with the server. Try again after a few hours and it will be fine. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.